guys.
Hey!
It's been 3 weeks since I made a video with this punk over here next to me. I'm just kidding. My cousin. Yo, you're sick.
I know.
She's sick. I'm contagious. She's contagious. Stop it. Stop the video. Stop it. Stop. So, this is the first time in ever that we're actually gonna watch a recent video that comes out right on the day of.
Yeah!
Because that never happens when we're together.
No, we always watch old ones.
Usually I have to like hold back myself from like watching the MVs that come out.
The MVs.
Yes. Or I tell her ahead of time like, listen, I'm gonna do reaction, so I'm sorry, I can't wait anymore. Yeah, 2 music videos came out today and it was from BtoB and Sunmi. And yeah, I'm excited.
Me too.
But what are we watching today, sick cousin?
We're watching Beat Beat by BtoB?
BtoB.
Oh.
Okay. I like their music, I just don't...
Oh, BtoB!
Yes.
Oh!
Born to be.
I thought it was BtoB.
No. I told my friend that last month and she almost slapped me. She gave me like this look, she's like, ew,
really?
what's wrong with
Oh,
you?
sorry. Oh, gosh.
It's okay. If you're watching this, you can slap her later. You know who you are. So anyways, I'm Mikey, I forgot to introduce myself, and she's sick. And she's literally sick.
Yeah.
Just kidding. And it's my cousin Stephanie, and we are going to react.
First take one.
No, someone took our name. But anyways.
Oh, really?
Yeah, remember? That's why I couldn't put first take.
Yeah, first take one.
So anyways, enough of that rambling. Finally, I get to do a reaction with my sick cousin. Yay! I couldn't do it last week because she was more sick than this, but I think she's...
Kind of.
No, not really. So I'm gonna count it off in... Oh, let's actually make the screen bigger. I don't want to see that Pampers ad on the side. So in 3, 2...
1.
Let's go. Let's go, boys and girls. Yeah. I don't know if you watched the teaser, but
I haven't watched the teaser.
Oh, I thought I flicked them off. Look.
How old are they?
I actually don't know. I just know their songs. Because I like Thriller and Now from them.
I always like looking at them.
The guys?
Yeah.
It's okay. I like looking at the girls, so.
I mean, that's always a plus.
Oh, yeah. But if they look good, but they can't sing, it's like,
Yeah. I like this. I like the piano.
I think it's okay so far. I like the set though that they're on. But
It's like a relaxed song. I don't think it's like a really like super catchy song, but it's pretty relaxed. Like I like it.
yeah, it's like chill.
Yeah.
I think I expected something like their previous songs. That's probably why. I think this is like okay right now.
I like this guy. I like him.
That guy?
Yeah, I like him.
Okay. Leave the comment on his name.
Yeah, yes please.
Because I don't know who he is either. And my friend once told me their names. She's like, you gotta figure them out.
Oh, really?
Leave a homie hanging.
Can you understand what they're saying there?
A little bit. Like just like certain words. I can guess what the sentence is from like certain ones that I know myself, but
Yeah.
I don't know everything that they're saying now. Well, you see who's pricking his ears, so. Oh, how's my Hangul? Yeah, you good?
I like things like this, like when it's like slower and like I don't know, I like the like romantic vibe. I don't know.
You just like look at their faces.
That's just well,
I'm just kidding.
Well, I do like looking at their faces, but I
No,
like
I know what you're talking
yeah,
about.
I like I think it's just because I like slow songs a lot.
I like slow songs too. But I don't know.
Like I like them substantially more than I like fast songs. So.
I think it depends. Because some fast songs are like,
No, sorry, I just coughed. I don't know if I can. Sorry.
Just kidding. I didn't even know it.
Okay, cool. Yeah.
I'm gonna watch that when I edit this. Did you even cover your mouth?
Yeah. No, I think I did. Sorry. If you get sick, I'm sorry.
A lot of girls though. That was cool.
Oh, I like those cars though. I like them.
Yeah, they had that in the teaser.
That's cool.
That rain.
Yeah, look at it.
She was pulling off that dirty sexy.
The dancing doesn't look too complicated. I don't know though. I'm not a dancing person though.
I think I understand why it shouldn't be complicated because it's a simple song.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah, that's true.
because if you do, okay, I'll just say it after. Beep beep.
Okay, what was it?
Beep beep. Okay, so like, if you have like choreo, if you do choreo in general, and if it's like heavily like intricate and like very in detail, you can't really catch the audience's attention
Oh,
that
cause
well.
oh yeah.
But if it's like nice and simple, but it can't be too simple, cause it's like, oh, what are you doing? What are you doing? So yeah, I think it was simple enough to like go with the music video.
Yeah, so like it's like not too distracting.
My verdict on the song is, I think I'll listen to it a little bit. It's gonna grow on me because I think it's okay.
I think it's okay. I think it's okay
I
too.
think it's okay.
Yeah.
'Cause, I don't know. I like the thriller song was like super good. So was Now, and no, not Now. Wow. I like Now. Wow. And they have like a slow song too called Insane. That one's like better than this, I think.
Okay.
I guess this was okay.
Yeah, it was okay.
But in general, I don't know. I guess I'll still have to learn their names because I did not know who any of these guys
Yeah.
were.
I don't know either. It's like BtoB. Oh god.
So,
Sorry.
final verdict, it's an okay song. It's probably gonna grow on me because it's just gonna grow on me. I'm gonna have to like listen to it a little bit more and then I'm like, oh, I understand it. It's good. It's a good song. But anyways, yeah, we got like a few more videos to do tonight, so catch all y'all's in a few minutes. It's been Mikey,
And stuff.
and we are heading out. Bye.